Hello, my name is David Medellin. In this activity, I choose the question number one or script number one. This question is how did you hear about the position open with our company here? Well, when I heard about the opportunity of changing location and moving from one physical or location to another, I thought about making a career move as well. And I was studying with my main interest and passion, and I love being outside. I love doing outdoor activities, and I love working with people. When I was looking online, I found this website, and that there were positions available in the city area. So I thought I will